Clementon Park is a park that some of you may have heard of, but I suspect a lot of you haven't. From 1907 to 2019, this local park in South Jersey entertained locals from the tri-state with their family emphasis and affordable price. While the park closed abruptly in 2019 with no warning, I'm not going to be exploring the reasons why. This video will focus on a dark day in the New Jersey Park's history, a day I like to call Freaky Saturday. Hey guys, story time. So as a small kid, my mom would bring me and my friends to Clementon Park by the carload. I think there was a special back in the day, like $50 for the whole car or something ridiculous. It was really inexpensive. That's how I became cheap in the first place. It was a simple park. They had a log flume, a few flat rides, and a solid but small water park, and at least one roller coaster. For many years, the star attraction was the 1919 Jackrabbit, until one day the ride op was kind of dicking around and he let it go through the station and derail. Jackrabbit was replaced by the 2004 SNS Woody, Hellcat/Tsunami/J2. I don't know why it went through so many names. I know that Tsunami was scrapped after the tsunami in Indonesia, but the rest I don't know. It became one of the worst roller coasters ever through years of roughness, and Alan Schilke designed it, so there's that. But we're going to talk about how this family park went from a really easygoing park where you can enjoy yourself to like a twerk den of sex and ratchet. Things were going great for the small park until May of 2015 when our local hip-hop station, Power 99, decided to host their annual Summer Splash, adults only party. Power 99 is a pretty popular radio station, so a lot of people from South Jersey and Philadelphia attended. It's usually at country clubs, but this year they decided to have it at a water park, which sounded like a fun idea, but kind of the reputation of the park went downhill. Even though twerking is fun and it's fun to do adult things, this park wasn't really known for that, so a lot of people were outraged. It was all over the media and became like one of those events. Hey, do you guys remember that ratchet party that ruined Clementon Park? Clementon Park isn't open anymore, and I don't believe that it's due to this party, but this party is a dark mark on their history, and a lot of people don't talk about it enough. I think that the park is special to a lot of people, like including me. It didn't need to close down. They really should have upgraded it. Premier Parks kind of like just let it go at one point, but I think that the Power 99 party just kind of like turned a lot of people off from the park, especially those with families.
It's double fun. Splash World 2, we're having fun at Clementon Park. Two great parks, one great price. It's double fun.
Clementon Park celebrates the millennium with 4 new exciting rides: the Inverter,
Kite Flyer,
Family Fun Rides,
Demolition Derby, and Turtle World.
and don't forget
Chaos.
discount coupons at McDonald's.
It's double fun.